for calling room service. This is Justin speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some foods.
Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes,
May I have your name and room number, please?
my name is Cyrus Cullarin and my room number is 16.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Mr. Cyrus James Cullarin of room number 16. May I take your order?
My order is I want to tapsi and orange juice.
Would you like to try our adobo or sinigang, sir?
No,
How about some refreshing tea?
no,
Is there anything else that would you like to order?
that would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Cyrus Cullarin, may I repeat your order? You ordered 2 tapsilog and 1 orange juice. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay, sir. Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like to deliver it right away or at a specific time?
At a specific time.
Okay, sir. The total amount of your bill is 550 pesos. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Charge at it my room.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
No,
Okay, sir. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.
thank you.
Hi, sir. I am Justin, your food attendant for today. Is this Cyrus Cullarin of room number 16?
Yes,
May I come in?
yes.
Sir, would you like me to set up the table for you?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your tapsilog. And here's your orange. Is there anything else I can help you, sir? Thank you. Excuse me, sir. May I have your signature? Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'll be back. Come back within 45 minutes to clear your table, or you will leave it on the dirt. Thank you.